I'd like to share with you a few quick tips about starting an exercise program, especially if you've never exercised before or don't feel that you can exercise. Try to think of something that you can do for 5 minutes, whether it's a short walk or whether it's going to the gym and walking on the treadmill or walking to the grocery store to pick up some groceries. Those are walking. There are many forms of exercise, and there's a lot of things you could do at the gym, but starting with 5 minutes, and try to do that every single day. And the second week, then going up to 10 minutes. The third week, maybe going up to 13 or 14 minutes, and then adding about 5 minutes a week. But doing something that you can do every single day, whether you get up early in the morning 5 minutes to do it, or whether you do it at your lunch break or after work, beginning gradually and working up slowly and making it a part of your routine so that it doesn't seem like you're taking something out. And shortly you'll find that you really miss it if you don't do it.